Most people are playing a game. They don't even know they're losing. We're told that a six-figure salary is the finish line, the golden ticket to freedom. But what happens when you reach the top and find out the person next to you, the one with the perfect life, is actually broke? This is the story of Daniel, and the moment he realized that success is often just a very expensive mask. Daniel started noticing the cracks, not in the spreadsheets at work, but in the people behind them. It started small, a new Tesla in the parking lot, a humble brag about a downtown loft, an Instagram feed that looked like a permanent European vacation. At first, it felt like motivation. This is what winning looks like, right? But the upgrades, they never stopped. The bar kept moving, and no matter how much Daniel earned, he felt like he was standing still. One afternoon, he sat across from Mark. Mark was the office titan, $160,000 salary, impeccable suits, the guy everyone quietly measured themselves against. They started talking about money, no filters, and that's when the illusion shattered. Mark leaned in and whispered, "I'm making $160, but honestly, I'm living paycheck to paycheck." The math didn't add up. If $160,000 isn't enough to build wealth, then what is? That's when Daniel saw it. Most people aren't building wealth, they're building appearances. Everywhere he looked, people weren't competing for security, they were competing for signals. The car, the zip code, the designer label. These aren't symbols of wealth, they are signals of status, and status is a zero-sum game that never ends. Wealth is quiet, status is loud, and most people choose loud because they're afraid of the silence. That night, Daniel couldn't sleep. He realized that if high earners are broke, then the middle class is a lie. He started digging, and what he found behind the curtain of the wealthy was even more terrifying. The question wasn't how much they made, it was where the money was really going. Are you building a life or just a brand? We find out in the next episode.
Understand deeply. Act intentionally. You don't need motivation. You need perspective. If this gave you that, stay close.